Brain Science Foundation is a nonprofit organization dedicated to finding a cure for meningiomas and other primary brain tumors. The foundation works to expand the number of investigators in the field by supporting researchers in the early stages of their careers.
It's research and the next generation of researchers that's driving advances in the care of patients with brain tumors. The more that we can allow the best and brightest young people to take risks with their best ideas, the more we can free them up to think carefully about these problems and work in an interdisciplinary, collaborative fashion about these problems, the better. The Brain Science Foundation puts its money where its mouth is and has a rigorous and also enlightened process. First of all, it's nimble. It avoids unnecessary bureaucracy. It really cuts to the heart of the matter and has great perspective in terms of what's most important, and has put together a set of mechanisms and an infrastructure and people who all come together around helping patients with brain tumors, providing the foundation for the next generation of advances in diagnostics and therapeutics.
My name is Priscilla Brastianos. I am a medical oncology fellow at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute. My focus, both clinically and scientifically, has been brain metastases. So with the funding that I've received from the Brain Science Foundation, I've been able to establish prospective brain metastases collections, and I've been able to bring together an international team of collaborators, scientists, and neurosurgeons to help me study brain metastases. And we're going to be using the most powerful next-generation sequencing technologies to study brain metastases. We're going to be understanding the DNA of every patient that has brain metastases and comparing it to its primary tumor. And because of what the Brain Science Foundation has done for me, I've been able to apply for other grants and establish this new field within oncology.
In addition to awarding research grants, the Brain Science Foundation also hosts regular events, such as Meningioma Awareness Day, where patients, caregivers, and medical professionals gather for the opportunity to learn more about the detection, treatment, and management of meningiomas.
This sort of event is really conducive to increasing patient and family and caregiver awareness and understanding, and providing access to the sorts of knowledge and care that patients and families deserve to have. To allow people to come from all over the country to meet with leading experts in these areas that directly affect their lives so much, and to be able to provide the latest updates in a way that's accessible, to provide direct access to physicians and physician scientists is something that is very meaningful and important. And for me, it's a privilege to be able to take part.
The Brain Science Foundation is such a unique, collaborative, innovative organization that combines so many different elements of science and neuroscience. The interplay between the physicians and the researchers and the staff people and the donors, it's just unlike anything else that I've ever seen.
Being able to just sit down and talk and then go and move and sit down and talk either with a patient, a caregiver, or an expert. That free flow is excellent. I mean, we could have probably done that all night and everyone would have been happy.
You see what meningiomas, how they affect people, one end of the spectrum to another. From people who haven't yet had surgery, post-surgery, and it's very, very important to learn what is happening and what advances there are.
We have to raise awareness because a lot of people don't even know what a meningioma is. And I've had one for 16 years. I've been out from one, and I still don't hardly know how to say its name. So I know that it is not a household word. However, it's touching more and more people's lives.
I just am really happy this organization exists, and I hope they continue to do the good work they're doing.
To learn more about the Brain Science Foundation, visit www.brainsciencefoundation.org.